Smile, smile, smile. Bye, pair.
Healthcare Risk Reduction Management Officer, also a core facilitator of MCM and EMT instructor at the same time, the trauma nurse specialist. No other than Ma'am Alma P. Trinidad.
Thank you. Good morning.
We are so glad for having you, Ma'am.
Thank you, sir.